emery ball press cleaning need to pay attention to what? On the emery ball press cleaning, we need to understand and pay attention to these details. Careful real-time cleaning of the emery ball press machine down dust in the process of disassembly should be careful dust removal, rigorous to make it into the mobile parts of the mechanical. Check the wear of triangle liner, bearing, screw, nozzle, and other parts inside the fuselage and clean it up, replace the bearing grease. Check the bottom, safety bolt is loose and tighten it. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator and check the gear fit and wear status. If the oil pressure of the cylinder has a large pressure change, new oil should be injected in real time. If oil leakage is found in the oil pressure system during operation, it should be stopped immediately and restarted after repairing the oil leakage.